Let's take a quick look inside this nearly 1,500 square foot home in East Norman, Oklahoma. I'm Marcie Billen and I'm a real estate agent here in Norman. All of the living spaces include hard surface flooring. The living room is beautifully set up to incorporate plenty of seating for guests. The open kitchen features plenty of cabinet space and also a pantry. And while the pantry is not a walk-in pantry, it is deep. The high ceilings in this home ensure plenty of natural light and that excellent feeling of spaciousness. The owner suite is situated at the rear of the home, and the ensuite bathroom is tiled with a tub shower combo, double vanities, and a large walk-in closet. I've tried to point out all of the storage closets in this home for you as well. There are a lot. The hall bedrooms and hall bath are immediately on your right as you come through the front door of the home, and each room has a lot of natural light plus ample closet space. This home also does have an in-ground storm shelter in the garage. The roof has Class 4 shingles, and of course, there is a playground and walking trails in the neighborhood. Making our way to the backyard, you can see that the back door also has a storm door. This will help the living room feel lighter and airier. The back patio, while uncovered, does come with a pergola. Want more info or a tour? Be sure to give me a call and check the description for the full listing.